Preparing for the NHA CPT exam, it's about more than just memorizing the order of draw. The NHA Certified Phlebotomy Technician exam is a 2-hour test with 100 scored questions. It's designed to assess your understanding of the complete phlebotomy workflow, not just one part of it. The exam is divided into 5 key domains, covering everything from the moment you receive a requisition to when the specimen is processed. The largest domains are routine blood collections and safety and compliance, which together make up more than half of your total score, showing the test's emphasis on safe, standard procedures. Before you can even sit for the exam, you need to meet NHA's eligibility requirements. This isn't just about classroom knowledge. Candidates must provide evidence of performing at least 30 successful venipunctures and 10 capillary sticks on live individuals. This applies whether you qualified through a training program or through work experience. It's critical to keep a detailed, dated log of your collections to ensure you can document this hands-on experience when you apply for the exam. Let's focus on the 2 largest domains. Routine blood collections covers 28% of the exam, testing everything from equipment selection and order of draw to handling complications like a hematoma. Just as important is safety and compliance, which makes up 26%. This area includes knowing your OSHA and HIPAA regulations, using personal protective equipment correctly, and responding to emergencies like a needle stick. Mastering these 2 areas is essential for building a strong foundation for a passing score. A skilled phlebotomist's job doesn't end after the collection. The exam reflects this by testing special collections and processing. The special collections domain covers protocols for blood cultures, glucose tolerance tests, and collections that require a chain of custody, like drug screenings. The processing domain tests your knowledge of post-collection tasks, including centrifuging, aliquoting, proper transport, and knowing what can cause a specimen to be rejected. These steps are vital for ensuring the integrity of the sample. The current CPT exam is based on a 2024 job analysis, which means it tests skills relevant to today's healthcare environment. The test plan now explicitly includes topics like patient diversity, using electronic health records, and point-of-care testing. These subjects are often integrated into scenario-based questions. This shift emphasizes that modern phlebotomy requires not just technical skill, but also strong administrative awareness and excellent communication to ensure patient safety and data accuracy throughout the entire process. To prepare effectively, structure your studies around the workflow. A 4-week plan can work well. Start week 1 with safety and compliance. In week 2, focus on patient preparation and routine collections, the heart of the exam. Use week 3 to master special collections and processing. Finally, dedicate week 4 to taking timed, mixed practice exams to simulate test day conditions. This approach ensures you build knowledge systematically, moving from foundational safety rules to complex procedures and test-taking strategy. Ready to put this workflow-based approach into action? This video is a summary of our complete NHA CPT exam guide. Visit the full article on openexamprep.com to access a detailed breakdown of high-yield study priorities, our 4-week study plan checklist, and links to official NHA resources. You can also start practicing right away with free CPT practice questions to test your knowledge and identify areas for improvement. Click the link in the description to get started.